Hello and welcome to the channel. In this episode we will be rebuilding the fuel pump bracket and 3D printing the rubbers. If you like what you see, then please like and subscribe and comment. That'll help me out great. Thanks. This is the genuine Ford bracket. It's on eBay. It's $134.95. This is the genuine, non-genuine, which is what we're trying to replicate. As you can see, I've drawn these in Fusion 360. These are the small rubber parts which you'll see 3D printed in a second. What you can see now is what I've done in Cura. It's been sliced and you can see the times and how much filament we're going to need. In the next few clips you'll see the 3D printer working. This is drawn in Fusion 360 again. This is the rubber that's going to go around the fuel pump, which you'll see later. Jamie's actually done this in Fusion because I ain't as good as I am in other packages. This is Cura again. Sliced this same as before. You'll see it 3D printed at the end. I hope you enjoy these time lapses of 3D prints. In the next video you'll see us making the fuel pump bracket as described at the end, which you'll see in a bit. I am working on the car. There isn't enough content yet to come through, but there will be other videos in the pipeline. There might be a break after this one, so I've got a bit of working out and work to do with the fuel pump, but there will be other videos coming up shortly with different cars. Thanks. See, these are all the old bits, rusted, not very good. As you can see, hole, not very good. Does work, but getting a new one anyway. All these are all the rubbers that you've seen on the 3D printer and all the drawings that we've done. That's something I've still got to draw. That's the one that Jamie's done. Now we've got on to the new bits. We've got new fuel pump, new fuel accumulator. These are the bits that you saw being 3D printed, and along with that one, which that's now copied that. These are those ones. The next bit is getting some laser cuts done. I've had these done before. These are slightly wrong, so I've had to modify them and get them cut again. So we've also got to form these around things to make these ones. That one is that one there, and lastly that one's going to be that one. As you can see, some of these are raised. We're going to need to form the flat into that. We're going to be doing that with another one of them, which will then, that'll be bolted to that, another one on top, and then we can form those edges. This one is going to be used for this width to form that, and we need some tube and bar to form these bits and pieces to get those curved. If you like what you see, please like, comment and subscribe. That'll help me out a great deal. Thank you. Thanks for watching.